Scientists using the James Webb Space Telescope have made an exciting discovery about a nearby exoplanet that could be our best chances yet to find water and even an Earth-like atmosphere. While over 5,000 exoplanets have been identified, only a few are close enough to study in detail. Located just 48 light-years away in the constellation Sagittarius, LHS 1140b is 1.7 times the size of Earth. This finding makes LHS 1140b one of the most promising candidates in the search for liquid water beyond our solar system. Could LHS 1140b be the key to discovering water on an alien world? What might this mean for the search of life beyond our solar system? LHS 1140b is located 48 light-years away in the constellation Sagittarius, and is considered the top choice because it might have liquid water and a nitrogen-rich atmosphere similar to Earth. LHS 1140b is about 6 times the mass of Earth and orbits a small red dwarf star in what is known as the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for water to exist in liquid form. Researchers have been debating whether LHS 1140b is a mini Neptune with a thick atmosphere of gas or a mega Earth covered in water. To find out, they combined data from JWST and other telescopes like Hubble and Spitzer to analyze the planet's atmosphere. This analysis indicates that LHS 1140b is more likely a water world with a rocky terrain rather than a gas giant. Excitingly, it may have a thick atmosphere similar to Earth's, which could help retain heat and create a stable climate, key factors for life. Dr. Ryan McDonald from the University of Michigan, who contributed to the study, notes that this is the first hint of an atmosphere on a potentially habitable exoplanet. The team thinks that LHS 1140b might have a nitrogen-rich atmosphere just like Earth's. The planet's orbit, similar to the moons around Earth, means one side always faces away from its star. This could create a situation where liquid water exists on the side that is warmed by the star. If the planet does have an ocean, it could be as large as half the surface of the Atlantic Ocean, with temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius. Although this planet is not the first found in a habitable zone, it offers scientists a unique chance to study a relatively calm star and a planet that might support life. This makes LHS 1140b an exciting candidate for further exploration and research. Now, LHS 1140b, discovered in 2017 by the M-Earth project, has been a subject of much debate among scientists. Initially, it was thought to be either a mini Neptune, which is a type of gas giant planet, or Rocky, a terrestrial planet. The confusion stemmed from its unusual characteristics that fitted into both categories. Recent developments have shed more light on LHS 1140b. A new paper accepted for publication this week in the Astrophysical Journals presented exciting findings from data collected by the James Webb Space Telescope in December 2023. According to this study, LHS 1140b might have an atmosphere and could even host a liquid water ocean. This is a significant discovery because the presence of liquid water is one of the key ingredients needed for life as we know it. Charles Cadieux, the lead author of the study and a doctoral student at the Université de Montréal, highlighted the importance of these findings. He mentioned, of all currently known temperate exoplanets, LHS 1140b could well be our best bet to one day indirectly confirm liquid water on the surface of an alien world beyond our solar system. This potential discovery represents a major milestone in the search for potentially habitable exoplanets and could bring us closer to understanding whether life could exist beyond our own planet. Scientists have estimated that LHS 1140b might have 10 to 20% of its mass made up of water. This has led to the intriguing possibility that the planet could be a snowball or ice planet. In this scenario, the planet could be covered in a thick layer of ice. LHS 1140b is tidally locked to its star, meaning that it always shows the same side to the star, similar to how the moon always shows the same face to the Earth. Because of this, many potential liquid oceans might be located on the side of the planet that never faces the star and remains in constant darkness. If this is the case, scientists estimate that the ocean could be quite large, with a diameter of about 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers. This would make it roughly half the size of the Atlantic Ocean's surface. They also believe that the temperature of this ocean's surface could be around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, which is a comfortable temperature that might support the possibility of life. LHS 114b is classified as a super-Earth because its mass is about 7 times greater than that of Earth. It orbits a red dwarf star, which is one of the most common types of stars in the Milky Way. Red dwarfs are much smaller and dimmer than our sun. Despite this, LHS 114b is considered a temperate world because it completes an orbit around its star in just 25 days. For comparison, Mercury, which orbits much closer to the sun, takes 88 days to complete one orbit, and its surface temperatures can soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 430 degrees Celsius, according to NASA. LHS 114b is located within the habitable zone of its star. This is the region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist, which is a crucial factor for the possibility of life. Interestingly, while red dwarf stars are known for emitting strong flares that can be harmful to planets, LHS 114b seems to be shielded from these damaging effects. Ryan MacDonald, a NASA Sagan Fellow at the University of Michigan's Department of Astronomy, commented on the significance of this finding. "This is our first tantalizing glimpse of an atmosphere on a super-Earth in the habitable zone," he noted that, compared to other exoplanets in habitable zones, such as those in the TRAPPIST-1 system, LHS 1140b's star appears to be calmer and less active. This makes it easier to study the planet's atmosphere without interference from stellar activity or star spots. The researchers were hoping to discover an atmosphere rich in nitrogen similar to Earth's. Ryan MacDonald highlighted the significance of their findings, stating, "This is the first time we have ever seen a hint of an atmosphere on a habitable zone, rocky, or ice-rich exoplanet." He added that LHS 114b stands out as one of the best small exoplanets in the habitable zone that might support a thick atmosphere, and they may have found evidence of air on this world. However, more observations using the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, are needed to confirm whether nitrogen is indeed present in the atmosphere. MacDonald pointed out, "Well, we need more JWST observations to confirm the nitrogen-rich atmosphere and to search for other gases. This is a very promising start." The process of confirming these findings will take time. JWST can only observe LHS 114b as it passes in front of its star, an event that happens just 8 times a year. According to astronomers, it will take several years of observations to detect carbon dioxide and confirm the presence of liquid water on the planet's surface. In the end, LHS 1140b is generating significant excitement in the scientific community. With a size 1.7 times that of Earth and orbiting within the habitable zone of a red dwarf star, LHS 1140b might be our best candidate for finding liquid water beyond our solar system. As scientists continue to analyze LHS 1140b's atmosphere and composition, the coming years may provide even more clues about this intriguing world. The discovery of liquid water and a suitable atmosphere could mark a significant step towards understanding the possibility of life on other planets. What do you think about LHS 1140b's potential to host life? Could it be the key to finding water on an alien world? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.